Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to back up your photos to iTunes. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I'm doing this in my Windows in today's video. First, plug in your iPhone to the computer or your laptop without iTunes running. Wait for the pop-up asking you what you want to do with this device. Click it on. You can also go to your PC shortcut and under devices and drives, you'll be able to see your iPhone connected. Now, right-click on your iPhone and click on Import Pictures and Videos. In the pop-up, you can go ahead and either choose Review, Organize and Group Items to import, or you can also choose Import All New Items Now. You can also enter a name or tags to look for a specific item. After you're done, click on Import. Now, as soon as your photos are imported, select a picture that you want to copy. Simply copy the picture and click Open iTunes. As soon as you open iTunes, find the mobile icon at the top left. Click it on and click on the Photos tab under Settings. Now, check the box at the bottom right to synchronize your photos. After you click on Synchronize, click on Done, and soon after you complete, you'll be able to back up photos on iTunes. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.